Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my tutorial right now. This is a Java application that I've developed with NetBeans ID. Okay, so this is actually an application which can allow you to check for any data. Okay, so right here you have all the data that's I have right now in the database. Okay, this is all the data as you can see right here. Okay, and with this application you can also add a new data, okay, as well as updates. Okay, if you want to, let's say you made a mistake and you want to update, okay, any data, this application can also allow you to do that. Okay, so all the data that you can see here are from this database. Okay, for this very application I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, for those who have watched my previous video, I've also done an application like this, but for that very one I use MySQL as database. Okay, so for this very application I'm using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, this is also a software that we can also use as database. Okay, it's a very powerful database. Okay, that's what I use for this application. Okay, so as you can see right here, all the data are saved in the database. Okay, you have all the data. So this is the name of the database. Okay, as well as the table. I have right now one table within this database, which is students, and all the data are here as you can see. Okay, so this application that I've developed can allow you to see all the data. Okay, as you can see all the data right here. Okay, and you can also use this application to also add some new data, and you can also update, okay, any data. Okay, so all the actions that you're going to perform from this application are going to be reflected within the database. Okay, so with this application it will make life easier for you, so there is no need for you, okay, to be coming to the database, okay, to try to add or search for any data. You can just do it straight from this application. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So let's assume you want to add a new data. So we'll go to file and you click on add new. Okay, and right here you have the add new form. Okay, so let's add a new data. Okay, first name David, last name Mark, course name fashion design, and address 17th Oxford Street. Okay, and then save, and you can see that the data that we just entered have been successfully entered. Okay, so now if you want to see the new data that we just added, just go on file, data view, and as you can see that's the new data that we just entered. Okay, the ID is 560, David, Mark, fashion design, and 17. Okay, so that's how it works. So let me show you within the database. okay, the new data that we just added. Let me show you. Select up. Okay, so that's it, as you can see. Okay, so this application is very simple to use. Okay, very simple to use. With this application, it can make, as I told you, life easier for you. Okay, there is no need for you to be coming to the database to try to perform any action. You can just do everything straight from the applications. Okay, and one last thing that I want also to show you guys. Okay, updates. Okay, on the update form, you can see that you can also add, look for a data and then update it straight from here. Okay, so let's assume you want to update this very one, which is having ID 530. So you just type 530 and then you hit the search button, and okay, so you can see that all the information are displayed. Okay, so let's say we want to change this to let's say Jman, and here LA. Okay, so when I hit the update button, you're going to see that it's going to update, okay, the first name as well as the address. Okay, so you see that the update is successful. Okay, so now let's search for the same data again. You're going to see the change. You see Jman first name that we just changed, and then the address we just added early. Okay, and if I go to the database, you're going to see the change. Okay, now was okay, here you can see Jman and then early that we added for the address. So that's all what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, and that's all what I wanted to show you. Okay, so I hope you really enjoy. Okay, and if you have any question, you can just leave it in the comment section below, and please remember to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be uploading some new video or tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.